Imagine a life where you have the power to heal from within. A life where your thoughts and beliefs unlock the gates to unlimited well-being. Sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? But what if I told you it's all possible? Welcome to our captivating video on harnessing the power of your subconscious mind for mental healing. It's no secret that our thoughts and beliefs shape our reality. But what if I told you there's a hidden force deep within you, waiting to be unleashed? A force that holds the key to your mental well-being and healing. Today, we invite you on a powerful journey of exploration, where we dive into the depths of your subconscious mind and unlock its limitless potential. But before we dive into this mind-blowing journey, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll be the first to receive our empowering content and join our growing community of individuals committed to unlocking their full potential. Okay, let's begin. The power of the subconscious mind in mental healing is a concept that has fascinated individuals for centuries. It is believed that the healing power lies within the subconscious mind of each person, and that a changed mental attitude on the part of the individual can release this healing power. Contrary to popular belief, mental and religious science practitioners, psychologists, psychiatrists, and medical doctors do not heal patients themselves. Instead, their role is to remove mental blocks or physical blocks that may be hindering the functioning of the healing power. For example, a psychologist or psychiatrist may work with a patient to identify and address negative thought patterns or emotional traumas that are impacting their health. Similarly, a surgeon may remove a physical blockage to allow the body's natural healing processes to take place. The healing power is often referred to as nature or life, and it is seen as a universal force that is always present. By harnessing the power of the subconscious mind, individuals can direct this healing power to heal undesirable health conditions. This can be done through techniques such as visualization, affirmation, and meditation. Faith healings and healings by belief are related concepts that further enhance the healing process. By having faith in the healing power of the subconscious mind and believing in the possibility of healing, individuals can create a positive mental environment that supports the healing process. In his book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind, Joseph Murphy delves into the role of beliefs in harnessing the healing power of the subconscious mind. He explains that the process of training the subconscious mind is simple yet powerful. It involves using the conscious mind to imprint positive thoughts and images upon the subconscious. To make this process work, Murphy emphasizes two crucial steps. The first step is to consciously decide to think positive thoughts. This means taking control of our thoughts and actively choosing to focus on positivity and optimism. By consciously deciding to think positively, we are directing our subconscious mind towards the desired outcome. The second step is to trust that our subconscious mind will create experiences that align with our positive thoughts. This requires having faith in the power of our subconscious and believing that it has the ability to manifest our desires. When we trust in our subconscious mind, we open ourselves up to the possibilities and opportunities that it can bring into our lives. It is important to note that the subconscious mind relates only to imagination, regardless of our outlook on life. By disentangling our mind from identification with the world presented through our senses, we can imagine how we would like things to be. This allows us to create a clear impression in our subconscious mind of our desired reality. By doing so, the power of our subconscious mind takes that impression and manifests it in our body and the world around us. This is why it is crucial to focus on positive thoughts, as our thoughts act as the cause and our conditions as the effect. The conscious mind acts as the captain, navigating the ship of our life, while the hidden power of the subconscious mind provides the fuel and direction. In the previous segment, we explored the power of the subconscious mind and its role in our beliefs and experiences. We discovered that the subconscious mind stores beliefs, both within our conscious awareness and outside of it. These beliefs can have a profound impact on our health and well-being. To ensure the flow of the healing power within us, we must avoid believing anything that stifles it. We need to release identification with any beliefs that hinder the flow of this power. By doing so, we allow our intentional imaginal acts of well-being to flow automatically without impedance from subconscious beliefs. Impressing the subconscious mind with thoughts of health and well-being is essential. We can tap into the unseen power of infinite intelligence that emerges from the silence within us. By allowing the ideal suggestions of well-being to be impressed upon our subconscious mind, we can externalize these impressions in our lives. Our personal identity, self-image, and worldview also play a crucial role in our inner relationship with the outer expressions of life. These concepts define our individuality and shape how we perceive and interact with the world around us. Understanding and aligning our subconscious beliefs can have a significant impact on our overall well-being. Let's explore the spiritual view of healing and its relationship with the subconscious mind. Spiritual hypnotherapy offers individuals a unique opportunity to explore their subconscious mind and connect with their higher self. It is a safe and peaceful exploration that can bring many benefits to both inner and outer worlds. By delving into the depths of their inner landscape, individuals can unlock their greatest potential and find inner peace. The conscious and subconscious minds must agree upon the desired outcome for healing to occur. Spiritual hypnotherapy provides the right ideas, thoughts, and images to align these two aspects of the mind. Through faith, repetition, and expectation, individuals can experience mental healings that have been practiced since ancient times. Just as a captain navigates a ship, the conscious mind serves as the captain of our lives, while the subconscious mind holds a vast and active memory bank. It is purposeful and can bring about healing by accepting thoughts of health, vitality, and perfection. Our thoughts act as the cause, and the conditions we experience are the effect. By repeating affirmations such as "every day in every way, I'm getting better and better," we can reprogram our subconscious mind to support our true nature of well-being. This repetition helps to create new neural pathways and overwrite old negative beliefs that may be hindering our healing process. As we conclude this transformative journey of harnessing the power of your subconscious mind for mental healing, we hope that you have gained valuable insights and tools to promote profound changes in your life. The potential for growth and transformation is truly limitless when we tap into the immense power of our subconscious minds. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, we kindly ask you to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you will stay updated with our latest videos on self-discovery, personal growth, and manifestation techniques. We value your thoughts and invite you to share your experiences and insights in the comment section below. Your input and engagement are important to us, and we look forward to creating a supportive community of like-minded individuals dedicated to personal transformation. Until we meet again in our next video, may your subconscious mind continue to guide you towards healing, growth, and the fulfillment of your dream. Thank you for watching, and take care.